Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to crochet these beautiful flower earrings. I'm not expert of crocheting jewelry, but I wanna share this with you. I hope you enjoy! These are the materials that I use for these crochet earrings. And I found all these material at Hobby Lobby. This is jewelry tools. It have 3 different pliers and I will use all 3 of them for this project. And I also use this beautiful pearl beads for my earrings. And I think this is embroidery yarn. I got this yarn because it have a lot of beautiful different colors for $3.99. It's very small yarn. It's like lace weight yarn. Earring loops, rings, and I think this is called head pin, 2mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn needle. For these earrings, I use these 3 colors, mustard, orange, and pink, and I think it turned out very beautiful. And for today, I think I'm gonna use the same colors, but I'm gonna choose this one to be my color A, color B, and color C. The size for this flower, it is about 1.5 inches. Just the flower, okay? And this is the same flower that I use for my flower hexagon tutorial. If you haven't seen this hexagon tutorial, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. So this is my color A. First, make slip knot. Use any method you prefer to make slip knot. Insert the hook into that loop. Then I'm gonna make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then slip stitch into the first chain that I made to form a circle. Insert the hook there, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and pull it through. Now we have a circle. Then round 1, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first 3 chains count as 1 double crochet, and the 4th chain there count as 1 chain space. Then I'm gonna make 1 double crochet into this circle, yarn over hook, insert the hook into the circle, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is a double crochet. The next, chain 1, and then make 1 double crochet into the same space, and I'm gonna keep repeating this until I have 12 double crochet. So far I have 3 double crochet. So I repeat, I chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same space, repeat, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same space, repeat, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same space. I'm gonna keep repeating this until I have 12 double crochet total. Okay, now I have 12 double crochet stitches, and I'm gonna end the round with chain 1. Then I'm gonna slip stitch into the 3rd chain right here. Insert my hook into that 3rd chain. Yarn over hook, pull up a loop, and pull it through. Then I'm gonna chain 1 just to lock the yarn. Then cut the yarn, leave a little bit of tail, just enough to weaving the end later. Pull the yarn out. Here's what it looks like. Next, I bring my color B. It's gonna be round 2. First, I make slip knot. Insert the hook into that loop. Then bring this piece up. You can insert your hook anywhere you prefer. I just gonna insert it right into the third chain where I just make a slip stitch. I insert my hook there, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Basically, I just make a single crochet, and you can add the new yarn any method you prefer. And then I'm gonna make 1 single crochet into each chain and then into each stitch around. So next chain right here, insert my hook there. I also work over these tails. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook. And then single crochet into the next stitch right here. Again, I work over the ends. You don't have to do that, totally up to you. And then single crochet into the next chain, single crochet into the next stitch, next space right here, next stitch right here, next space right here. I'm gonna keep making 1 single crochet into each chain and then into each stitch around round 2. And this will be the last space. And at the end of round 2, you should have 24 stitches around. Then we're gonna end the round with slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made. I insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull through. Then I'm gonna chain 1 to lock the yarn. Cut the yarn, leave a little bit of tail, just enough to weave in the end later. Here's what it looks like. Hope you have the same. The final round, round 3, I bring my color C. You can insert the hook anywhere you prefer. I'm gonna insert my hook right at this single crochet where I just make a slip stitch. Insert my hook there. Then I bring my color C up. I hold it on the back. Then I yarn over hook with that color C. Pull up a loop. This is how I add a new yarn. You can add a new yarn any method you prefer. Then I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then into the same stitch, I'm gonna make 1 triple crochet. For triple crochet, we're gonna yarn over hook twice. Once, twice. And then insert the hook into that same stitch. Again, I'm gonna work over these tails. You don't have to do that, totally up to you. Then I yarn over hook, pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Then I'm gonna make 1 triple crochet into each of next 3 stitches. Again, yarn over hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Yarn over hook twice, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And you should have 4 triple crochet stitches. Then next, chain 3. Slip stitch into the same stitch that you just make the last triple crochet right here. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it through. That is the first petal, flower petal. Alright, then next, make slip stitch into the next stitch. Insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it through. Now we're gonna do the same right here. So we start with chain 3, and then into the same stitch we're gonna make 1 triple crochet. And then make 1 triple crochet into each of next 3 stitches. Okay, and you should have 4 triple crochet stitches, and then chain 3, slip stitch into the same stitch that you just made the last triple crochet. Now I have 2 flower petals. Repeat. I'm gonna show you 1 more petal. We're gonna start with slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 3, triple crochet into the same stitch. Oops, sorry. And then 1 triple crochet into each of next 3 stitches. Chain 3, slip stitch into the same stitch that you just made the last triple crochet stitch, like that. So far I have 3 flower petals. You're gonna keep repeating this around, and you should have 6 petals total. And if this is difficult to see, you can go look at this tutorial, the flower hexagon tutorial, because I use bigger yarn and bigger hook, so it might be easier to see. Anyways, I will be back when I'm at the end. Alright, I have 6 petals. Then I'm gonna end the round with slip stitch into the same stitch that I added a new yarn right here. I insert my hook there, yarn over, pull up a loop and pull it through, just to make the petals connected. Then I chain 1 to lock the yarn, cut the yarn, and pull the yarn out. And then you're just gonna weave all the ends. Some of this end I already worked over it, so I'm not gonna weave anymore. But some of this end I have to weave the end. I'm gonna go ahead and weave these 2 ends. Next, we're gonna work on the purl. So bring 1 purl, and this up. I'm gonna insert this into the hole, like that. Then I'm gonna cut it because this is too long. I bring this plier up to cut. I cut a little bit shorter than ½ an inch, like right here. Then I bring this plier up, then I grab it right there, and I turn. I hope you can see. So I turn the plier down like that to create a loop. If you want this loop a little smaller, you're gonna cut shorter. I'm gonna show you 1 more time. Just wanna make sure you got it. Okay, I insert this into the hole. Then I'm gonna cut. This time I cut a little shorter, just to show you. Maybe right here, yeah. Bring this up. This time I'm gonna go to the top here, to the tip of the plier, and then turn it over. As you can see, the hole is a little smaller than this. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna find a ring. I shouldn't put all this together, it's so difficult to find. But yeah, one ring. Then I bring this plier up, and then I'm gonna open this ring. I feel like this ring is smaller than I wanted, but it still works. Next time I will buy a little bigger. Anyways, then after I open this ring, I insert into this loop on the pearl, like that. Then bring the flower up, and then insert into one petal, whichever one you want. I insert in between those stitches. Insert like that. Then I'm gonna close it. Just pinch it like that. Now I'm gonna bring up a new ring and then open it up. Oops. With plier again. Bring the flower up. Then I'm gonna insert into the opposite flower petal where I just add the pearl, which is right here. Okay. Then insert in between those stitches, right at the middle. Then bring another ring. This is the new one. Insert into the old one that I just opened it, like that. And then I'm gonna close this one, the one I opened it. And then go to the top one, top ring, and then open it. I'm gonna do this side. Okay. Then I bring the earring loop. I want this part to be on the back side, on the wrong side of the flower. So I want to place it like this. Then I'm gonna close this ring. So yeah, this is very cute. And you need one more of this exactly the same. So this is the yarn that I have left after I make 2 pairs of earrings. So I just use, I used one of each color and I made 2 pairs of earrings, and this is what I have left. I think it's a good deal. Alright, I hope you enjoy making these earrings. If you want to share your work with me, just tag me on Facebook or Instagram at KnitCrowAddict. I'm gonna put the links in the description below. And I would love to know which colors do you like best, the first pair that I made or the second pair. Please comment below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.